Hello friends, I am Dr. Pranav Ratnaparki and we have been meeting and interacting through the forum called Crit Talks with Dr. Anand Kulkarni presented by Wise Words Class. I am so happy that the journey that started from 1st July 2020, of course during the pandemic time, has reached more than 45 days. During this time we have aired more than 10 episodes of Crit Talks with Dr. Anand Kulkarni, opening up, revealing different types of approaches of literary criticism as well as literary theory. Friends, we are so happy that we have got overwhelming response from all of you. Really thank you for that. We have crossed the landmark of 400 or more than 400 subscribers so far. We have been constantly getting comments, responses, mails, even calls for some time, and through that we are getting your praises, your comments, your views, and we are really happy about it. The initiative that started to provide some kind of knowledge, to provide some kind of critical insights about a very complex topic like literary theory has, in a way, successfully accepted by all of you. We really thank you for your endorsement. Friends, in the comments and the views and in the responses that we have received from you, it is being observed that most of you are extremely happy to listen and meditate, ponder upon the episodes that are being aired, that are being shared. But at the same time, some of you also have commented, have shared that we would like to go back to the earlier episodes while watching this one. So one example is that when probably you were watching the episode on deconstruction and application, most of you would like to revisit, would like to go back to the episode that we prepared on deconstruction. So there are a lot of interlinkages, there are a lot of connections between the earlier episode and the episode that you are watching. So some of you have suggested that to minimize, to lessen the frequency of these videos, so that you can enjoy more, so that you can ponder more, so that you can get some time for meditation. Because of course we all understand that these topics are not at all easy, which can be understood, which can be immediately comprehended. So therefore, as a part of this entire policy and honoring your decisions, that we have from this week, we will be airing one episode per week. So on every Wednesday, we will have one episode of Crit Talks with Dr. Anand Kulkarni. And this series will continue. Some of you have suggested that, some of you have suggested topics, some of you have suggested what else we can do. And please keep doing that. We are really thankful to you for that. So in the coming days, as suggested by you, we are going to take recent trends in literary theory, like cultural studies, for example, new historicism, for example, reader response theory, for example, and of course, the most important issues that we are undertaking nowadays, that we are facing today, and that is globalization. So friends, in coming times we are going to have series on all this. We are going to have episodes under the expertise of Dr. Anand Kulkarni on all these issues. So please stay on, please endorse, please support us with your subscription, with your comments, with your emails. In the coming days we are going to change and we are going to introduce few more things at this platform of Wise Words Class. So we are going to plan, or we have already planned, a series on feminism. And there are so many surprises to come to your door through Wise Words Class. So please keep watching Wise Words Class and keep watching Crit Talks with Dr. Anand Kulkarni on every Wednesday from this week. I thank you once again. Also, I want all of you to raise the questions and doubts that you face or that you have regarding the earlier episodes. So at one point of time or at some point of time, we may have a question and answer session, live question and answer session with Dr. Anand Kulkarni. So please, in the give description, there is a contact, there is an email given. Please keep writing to that email, keep posting your comments. That will boost, of course, our confidence and our enthusiasm. So with your support only, this venture can go ahead. You all know that we are passing through a very different, a very special, a very abnormal situation. And of course, to keep ourselves updated in such kind of situation, such episodes, such kind of programs are going to help to boost our moral and to boost our knowledge also. So keep watching Wise Words class. As a coordinator of this, as a organizer of this, I make a humble request to all of you that with your endorsement, with your support and from your encouragement only, this project is going to grow. So I hope that in the coming days, we will see more and more enchanting videos, enchanting topics to be taken up by Wise Words class. Thank you so much for your response, and I sincerely hope that in coming days also you will keep endorsing us, you will keep supporting us. Thank you so much.